The slow bleed has already commenced. The question is, how long will this slow bleed last? What's up, everybody? My name is Kian, and welcome to another edition of Trader's Choice Crypto. Happy to see each and every single one of you. We got a lot to talk about, so let's get started right away. First and foremost, though, I would appreciate if you guys do hit the thumbs up on your way in and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. So last week, I came on here and I told you guys the week ahead, I said, hey, we're going to see some support around the beginning of the week, and then we are going to start seeing a bleed out, a slow bleed. Of course, these are things that I cover on my own channel in depth as well. I'll leave a link in the description below for my channel, and I'll talk a little bit more about how I come to these predictions towards the end. So Monday, Tuesday, we were doing just fine, and Wednesday, we started and commenced the bleed out. And to be honest with you guys, we are not done based on my predictions through something called Astro Crypto, which is a modality that I use to time and predict these markets. Again, link will be in the description below. I talk about it more in depth on my own channel about what it is. I only have one video per week here. I talk about it at length on my own channel. So if you are interested in knowing how I come up with these predictions, you know what to do. So like I said, I really don't think we are done. I'm recording this video on Friday. I think it is the 7th. And this weekend is not looking so good for Bitcoin. And moving towards this next week, I do see the bleed out continuing. Maybe Tuesday, around Tuesday is when we'll kind of sort of stabilize. But then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we are going to continue the bleed out. Yeah, so I just wanted to throw out my predictions out there, but there is some good news towards the second half of this month, specifically the 17th onwards. I do see a possible relief rally happening. And so the second half of this month is actually looking much, much better than the first half of this month. So be cautious, especially this weekend. And once we hit Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, this is not going to be a pretty week for Bitcoin. And as you guys know, Bitcoin is the leader of the crypto markets. What happens to Bitcoin happens to the majority of the markets. Not everything will tank. This past week, one of the things that I noticed is alternative layer 1 cryptocurrencies, blockchains. They had some pretty good rallies, which included the likes of Harmony One, Cosmos as well. I think ICP, Internet Computer, that one had a rally as well, like a 26% rally. So just because we're going to see a bleed out in the majority of the market, this does not mean that there are not other opportunities available for us to capitalize on. Now, with these predictions, I am changing up. Well, let's not say changing up. I'm allowing inspiration to find me in terms of how to capitalize on these crypto markets, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the two main cryptos that I do like to predict. I do see Ethereum as the king of all coins, and Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin is the king of crypto. A lot of cryptos, the whole market kind of follows and rallies around Bitcoin. That's why there's such thing as Bitcoin dominance. It is a thing. It is very important to know Bitcoin dominance, where the money is flowing, because if we are seeing a pullback, this money is looking for somewhere to go. As Greg himself taught me, he said, Kian, there's no such thing as money heaven. When money leaves a certain asset or asset class, it is looking for places to go. Sometimes it's deeper in the blockchain. or within blockchains, or into other cryptos, or into other asset classes in general. So just keep that in mind as we move forward this week. And like I said, from the 17th onwards, I do see a possible relief rally. So be on the lookout for that. Now, I am going to talk a little bit about this predictive method called Astro Crypto. Again, if you're interested in me forecasting it, I do it 3 times a week. I have a forecast for the week ahead. I have a check-in and update on Wednesdays, and on Fridays, I began doing Ask Me Anythings, AMAs. So if you are interested in that, I'll leave the link in the description below for my own channel. If you're interested in learning about Astro Crypto and how it is used to predict these crypto markets, I am going to be leading a masterclass on the subject on this new social media platform titled Beams. Beams is basically, these guys are revolutionary first and foremost. It is a micro podcasting social media. It's an up and coming social media platform. Micro podcasting meaning 60 to 90 seconds. You just click record, talk about the topic of the day. I've seen NFT YouTubers use it. People who do a lot of technical analysis on crypto, regular markets use it. So starting this Sunday, I am going to start an Astro Crypto Masterclass for those of you who are intrigued and interested in learning this modality of predicting the crypto markets. So I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And that about covers everything that I wanted to talk about. You know, since I think when I started in November, November was when I started calling these markets instead of just bringing you guys news or things that a lot of other YouTubers already do. I think it's important for different ways of predicting these markets, and that's why I was so grateful to come up with Astro Crypto and this method. And so since November, I have been using Astro Crypto to bring you guys these updates with a pretty good track record. Was I right all the time, 100% of the time? No, but my goal is 90% and better. And I think I've been doing pretty good these past couple of weeks. So again, if you're interested, the relevant links will be in the description below. Other than that, guys, have a beautiful week ahead. Be cautious, tread lightly. In the future, I am going to come on here and talk about, like I said, how to capitalize on this, because I don't resonate with just trading spot prices anymore, especially when we are at the mercy of a bleed out such as we are seeing this past week and these past couple of weeks. So I've been thinking about futures trading, but the other day I was like, man, you know, I used to trade options in the regular stock market. I was like, wow, how about trading options for Bitcoin's ETF? But I was looking at specifically Valkyrie's Bitcoin ETF. And so if I'm doing that, I will definitely see if I can collaborate with Greg somehow and see how we can all capitalize on the crypto markets together. So with that said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up. And I really appreciate all of you, all the feedback. I hope you guys are having a brilliant, wonderful new year so far. And I'll see you guys either on my own channel or next week here, same time, same day. Sending you guys so much love, wishing you guys so much abundance, and I will see you guys very soon. You guys take care and stay blessed.